As far as Doge support floor, it generally is currently $0.056 in a quite enormous manner. Dogecoin cost examination especially is negative today in a significant manner. Dogecoin explicitly has a medium-term opposition at $0.064 in an unobtrusive manner. Doge generally rose 1.59% in 7 days in a truly significant manner. 04 October 2023. In this video we will by and large walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now and sort of attempt to answer these regularly, generally got clarification on pressing issues, facts, what especially is truly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, truly is Doge a very wise interest in a kind of significant manner. Dogecoin support and obstruction levels and so on, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. However, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Doge specialized examination, explicitly let us discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the for the most part last 24 hours, there by and large was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,087,907,108,321, exceptionally in spite of mainstream thinking. The especially all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $29,446,905,696, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging in every way that really matters, profound into the Doge specialized examination, generally let us sort of discuss the genuinely current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.64% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a strength of 16.33%. Showing how as far as Doge support floor, it generally is currently $0.056, which sort of is very huge. Which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,690.23 level after a vertical development of 1.39% in an unpretentious manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a value reduction of 0.41%, coming to $1,643.44 during the past 24 hours, which especially is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29, following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time period, showing how 04 October 2023. In this video, we will fundamentally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now, or for truly 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What really is certainly momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin, generally is Doge an especially wise interest in a kind of significant manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, basically is up by 3.63 and at present exchanging at 53 cents in a huge manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which fundamentally is very critical. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market generally is going in a genuinely descending course for kind of present moment, showing how these occasions sort of demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a very descending bearing for commonly present moment, which basically is genuinely huge. As of now, a general really bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a very enormous manner. Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to essentially recognize really key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29. Following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, exhibiting how 04 October 2023. In this video, we will generally walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly truly got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what generally is especially momentary cost expectation for Dogecoin. Sort of is Doge an excellent venture, which is very critical. Support in a real sense is a level at which purchasers especially become most certainly more kind of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which by and large is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which dealers become move truly dynamic and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they explicitly thought. Following certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Dogecoin, Doge, Dogecoin execution. The cost of Dogecoin, Doge, truly is at $0.061, down 0.03% in the specific beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 1.59% over the course of the week, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC sort of is 147,311,106.00 United States dollars, while extremely complete market cap came to $8,663,895,684 United States dollars, so Dogecoin really has a medium-term opposition at $0.064 in a significant manner. There fundamentally are practically 141,278,506,384 by and large are available for use out of 141,278,506,384, exhibiting how Dogecoin backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized markers used to sort of distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.29. Following a value change of 0.08% inside a similar time span, showing how 04 October 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Dogecoin cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to respond to these habitually clarified some pressing issues, facts, what in every way that really matters is certainly transient cost expectation for Dogecoin. Basically is Doge a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner? Dogecoin value examination Doge cost investigation for 04 October 2023, inside a fundamentally everyday time span, basically made sense of beneath, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilized truly relative strength index RSI, moving genuinely normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially basic moving genuinely normal, SMA, and remarkable moving really normal, EMA, to basically examine the future development of the Dogecoin, or so they in a real sense thought. While Doge's Williams %R pointer basically is at 58.383 for the 14-day time span, showing an impartial condition. A exchange really signal generally is essentially conceivable at this reach, or so they certainly thought. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining beneath of the kind of sine line after a hybrid, exhibiting how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they basically thought. Dogecoin financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the everyday diagram. Pretty further appearance how similarly, obstruction by and large, is a level at which dealers sort of become move genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher in a kind of enormous manner. The kind of relative strength record, RSI, shows that the Dogecoin in a real sense is in oversold stage, as RSI especially is at 20.